There will be challenges, failures, and moments when giving up seems like the easiest option. But remember, success is not defined by the number of times you fall, but by the number of times we rise again. Thomas Edison once said, "Genius is 1% inspiration and 99% perspiration." This reminds us that success is built on consistent effort. No matter how small each step may seem. So, dare to dream big, work hard, stay focused, and never lose faith in yourself. Because if you can imagine it and you are willing to put in the work, you can achieve it. And with every difficulty, there is easy. And like in the Holy Quran, A'udzu billahi minasyaitonir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Fa inna ma'al usri yusra, inna ma'al usri yusra. Sadaqallahul azim. Al-Insyirah, verse 5 until 6.